Oh shit. I just spent probably 3 hours updating how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stocks. Holy shit. I was like, you know what? Let me hop on real quick and go over the market before I get too lazy. I'm gonna wait a little bit for people to hop in here. Holy shit, my fucking legs. Heavier legs. Okay, who's on what? Somebody's on there? Hard or probably Harris. It's probably you, huh, Harris? Probably you. Holy shit. Alright, let me talk over the market then. Alright. So this is the S&P 500. Time and date. Yesterday, I mentioned how, based on how Bitcoin and Ethereum were opening, we're not opening, closing for the week, because, like I said, Bitcoin, Ethereum let you know ahead. Oh, actually, fun fact. Today I was listening to me, Kevin, on one of his clips. He's going over a clip from this also, I guess, famous person, whatnot, mentioning how shit is going to a shithole, how the numbers aren't. Pretty much the man was a Trumper, but now after seeing how the data's at, he's saying the man is lying, we're actually in a recession and this is that. And he said another thing is that how 99% of Bitcoin correlates, synchronized pretty much to the NASDAQ. And then that's another thing that then me, Kevin, again noticed too, that he mentioned. And he then also put his own sense, saying like, yeah, it is kind of, they do have similarities. And there's a thing that I've been saying about also, that Ethereum and Bitcoin are somewhat synchronized to the S&P 500, which the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ pretty much move the same. The one that moves differently is the US 30. But if you look at the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, yeah, they look similar, see, just by having this S&P 500 1 hour, NASDAQ 1 hour. Bitcoin. And even though it's different, it still follows. So, and here we have a dump. So, on Sunday was very important because there was, I believe, a 3 candle box forming. Friday, let me take my indicator off. And I'm going to go over it real quick. Friday, we had the dump. Saturday, we recovered, give it the resistance, and then you box it up. So Sunday, we needed by 3, especially 5, had this crazy push on up to let us know, okay, cool, we're still going to continue, we're good, the market's good or whatnot. You would have then seen the S&P 500 open higher than what it was. But you wouldn't go on to it. So the price is right here. Oh man, too many alarms. Fuck these alarms. Alright, so between here and here is what we need to pay attention to. notice that we're coming 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning Monday, 3, 4, 5, and then we get the bad data today, completing that 3 candle box. And then again, I told the homie, hey, we're gonna have some sort of test. We're gonna have some sort of test. If we don't fucking pass, especially by your 1 o'clock, and then especially by 3 or 4, we're gonna start fucking dropping and whatnot. Here you have your 8, your 9, your 10, and we went to hell after that. Actually, the box looks over here on Sunday. My bad, you guys. My stupid ass. My bad. But here you go. So it dropped Sunday, 8 in the morning. Sunday. So Sunday we closed at 5. Completing that 3 candle box. But then the market opened. The S&P reacts, it's positive at the moment and whatnot. But at this time, you're still nervous. Like, this is what we need to shoot up. Like, we needed some sort of shoom, 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 shoom. The fact that we held that and we went back. Yes, I remember, these is where the 3 candle boxes on the daily. So the fact that even though it went up again, notice where it stopped. It stopped right here. Stop right here. Just wicks. And then the fact again that the next day on Monday came back down at 6 in the morning. And then at 6 in the morning is when the market started dumping. And then it consolidated, did bullshit. And then what time did it start going down? At 10 o'clock, right? At 10 o'clock. Watch. Let me go check the S&P 500. And that's when I told the homie, send him a text. The market is going to start going down right now. S&P and Bitcoin. 10 o'clock. Boom. Boom. So notice how Bitcoin, Ethereum, the S&P started going down at the same time. And notice how the daily 3 candle box held me, as whether it be a day trader, whether it be options, to make some fucking good ass fucking money. And now we're scared. But if you look at the S&P 500, we're right below or on a 3 monthly, which was in July. So the fact that what's gonna happen is, since Tuesday is gonna be our last day, really, we don't got no data tomorrow, and we're fucking scared. So either we're gonna, because all the Fibonacci's are fucking targeted right here, forward candle right here, forward candle Fibonacci, 50 Fibonacci, 3-hour candle, 2-hour candle, 1-hour candle. So from the 4-hour candle to the 1-hour candle, the 50 Fibonacci is concentrated right here, which tells me and then the 3 monthly, it's right here. So it's 8 o'clock. By 11, we definitely fucking need to be up here. So by 8:45, because when we close the 4-hour candle, this whole fucking time changing bullshit, where's it at? 4-hour candle. Yeah, it barely started. Started at 7. Yeah, it barely started. So 8:45, 8:45, what is it? 8:45 to 9:30, we need to start recuperating up here to 6,687. So then by 11 o'clock, close here and start having that slow momentum rallying up. That's what we should be seeing. Yeah, and we're gonna hit, even my indicators tell me you're gonna hit a resistance right here in the 1 hour time frame by the 50 Fibonacci. So it makes sense. Otherwise, we're gonna fucking start. If we maintain this by 8:45 to 9:30, we're gonna start dropping, and then you're gonna see Bitcoin and Ethereum follow. And it's already giving you the fucking red. Yeah, it's already giving you the red flags. Like, yeah, we might just are gonna drop throughout the nighttime. Yeah, the market is scared. Sheesh, that October fucking shutdown fucked us up. And you're gonna see gold go down too, and silver follow. Hey, there's a discount. I don't give a fuck. There's a discount. If you do option trading, I mean options or day trading, and you know what the fuck you're doing. That's why he's fucking talking about the stimulus checks, because he knows, like, yo, we're gonna have to save us. We're gonna have to do something to save us. He's gonna have to do something, and the rich fucking know this shit. The motherfuckers know, like, yo, anytime now, these motherfuckers just wait for it. Just put your money on side. He tweet man is gonna come and save us, and the market's gonna recover. Watch. But yeah, that's all, you guys. Pretty much, I already said what S&P needs to do to tell you what it's gonna do throughout the nighttime. If anything, I'm gonna come back and make an update at 11. Yeah, so far the market's just scared as fuck. Bitcoin, Ethereum are telling you. All right. Anything else? Let's go, Flacco. Appreciate it, bro. All right. This is Brian Seacrest signing out, folks.